In this video, we're going to take a look at my monkey mailer review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my monkey mailer review. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi, and if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for the monkey mailer product. What? Oh, so you ready to get into the review? Let's do it! Wait! Now, before we begin on the sales page, it's very important that you look in the link in this video description and click on my bonus link, okay? It's going to take you to this page here, and you simply scroll down just a little bit under the video. You're going to see a timer, and you're going to see a button to click on. It says Get Monkey Mailers Now. There's going to be a few buttons on this page, just like this one. You can click on any one of them, and that's going to lock in your bonuses that you're going to get from me in Warrior Plus in the back end. Okay, so be sure you do this first, and then you can click the buttons on the sales page to check out. And speaking of links in the video description, go ahead and look for some free training in there, as well as some advanced training in a webinar format. Okay, so check all that stuff out. So let's go ahead now and get into the sales page. Okay, so the sales page reads, if you're struggling to build an email list, want to send 500K emails today? Are you ready to finally get real results? Building an email list is vital for internet marketers, but it takes a lot of time. Most people who give up trying to make money online do so because they can't afford to wait until they have built up a list. What if you could get access to tens of thousands of email inboxes today, all for free, and send them any offer you wanted? Now you can with the power of monkey mailers. So what is monkey mailers exactly? So inside the training, you're going to get access to 15 secret sites that you can email tens of thousands of people and get your offer or your product offer in front of a bunch of eyeballs that can build your list and at the same time cash in with some commissions from those offers. So we're going to talk more about that when we get into the members area. So let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit here. Okay, so this product was created by Daud Islam and Paul Snellix. So Paul Snellix is a new member of the Ministry of Freedom, which is Jono's high ticket training. And he's a part of that tribe. I'm a part of Jono's tribe as well, but not in the Ministry of Freedom, but in the Project Profit Academy, which is Brendan Mace's product. And Jono and Brendan was partnered at one time, so I'm kind of in both of them, I guess you could say. But we all support each other when we do launches like this in the best way that we can, so we all are in this little tribe, okay? The link to that is in the description if you want to check that out as well. So let's go ahead and continue scrolling down the page here. Go ahead and check out the demo video here. He's going to show you a little bit inside the members area, but I'm going to take you in there as well. So here's some screenshots of Daud's earnings right here and a little bit more. Okay, so you're going to get all of this inside of Monkey Mailers. You're going to discover the top 15 sites where you can email for free, as I mentioned before. You're going to get step-by-step, easy-to-follow videos, advanced tip on how to scale up your earnings, how to email your offers for the best results, never be short of people to email ever again, and how to drive traffic to your offers using entirely free methods. So let's go ahead and check out the fast action bonuses here. So you're going to get these 5 bonuses. They're going to be in the members area waiting for you whenever you check out. Plus you're going to get my bonuses as well, which I'll discuss later on in this video. So bonus number 1 is ego emails. So you're going to learn all the correct tactics and tricks for email marketing. Now this is important. Go ahead and make sure that you watch all the training in this one before you start with the monkey mailers system, okay? And you're going to learn what to do as well as what not to do. Okay, so that's very important to check that out. So bonus number 2 is Tiger's Traffic. So you're going to learn 10 free methods for getting unlimited free traffic on tap. Bonus number 3 is the 7 deadly sins of email marketing. So you're going to make sure you know what not to do, right, when sending emails. So that's important stuff. Bonus number 4 is how to build a squeeze page. This is easy way for newbies to cheaply build unlimited squeeze pages. So check that out as well. It's a cool bonus. And bonus number 5 is 5 killer lead magnets. So this is the best things to give away when you want to start building your list. We have a warranty here. A warranty. All right, so here is the 100% money back guarantee. So buy without risk. Don't like it? No worries. This product comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, and that's it for the sales page, guys. The price right now is $9.95. So let's go ahead now and head to the members area. Okay, so we're inside the Monkey Mailers members area here. So you're gonna have dashboard support and log out up here on the top. You're gonna have the welcome video, which you're gonna see right here. Welcome to Dot, as well as if you scroll down, you'll see one from Paul Snellix here, and you can check out their YouTube channels by clicking on these buttons. So go ahead and check that out once you get in here. So you're gonna get an overview video as well right in here. You're gonna get an introduction video as well in here. In this module, you're gonna get to access the 15 secret sites. I'm not gonna open this up because it's gonna reveal some of those sites. I don't want to do that. And in here, you also have some resources to free squeeze pages. You have a conclusion video right here. Here you can get access to the bonuses that were listed on the sales page: Eagle emails, Tiger traffic, 7 deadly sins of email marketing, how to build a squeeze page, and 5 killer lead magnets. Now, if you missed any of the upgrades when you went through the checkout process, you can access all of those right here, okay? And we're gonna go over these upgrades in a moment. And in the last module here, we have unadvertised bonuses, so you can check that out as well. All right, so before we move on to the upsells, I want to show you the pro members area right quick. So this is what it's going to look like. So if we scroll to the top, it's the pro members area. You have dashboard support, log out as usual. You have a welcome video here. You have the pro member benefits in here, which is VIP upgrades, 50 more secret sites, and bonus promo codes. Then you have a conclusion video right here. So that's what the pro members area is going to look like. Okay, so let's go ahead now and check out those upsells. Okay, so of course the front end is Monkey Mailers, and it's at $9.95, where you're going to be able to access the 15 secret sites that you can join and send emails starting today, and you can mail up to 500,000 people a day with this method, guys. And of course, this is the best kept secret in the affiliate marketing world. Upsell number 1 here is Monkey Mailers Pro version. So this is for $37 with a $17 down sale. So you're going to get access to 50 more additional sites where you can start sending emails from today, and you're also going to get the free VIP membership to all 25 of Dodd's own sites in the Make Money Online niche. This is valued at $64 at every single site, guys. So it's worth $1,600 in total. Okay, so upsell number 2 is still our traffic. This is $197 with a $97 down sale. So you're going to be able to put your pixels on all of Dodd's previous sales pages and benefit from thousands of visitors that will turn into easy affiliate commissions. Upsell number 3 is reseller rights times 5, which is $37 with a $17 down sale. So you're going to get the rights to sell Monkey Mailers plus 4 more of Dodd's best-selling products, and you're going to be able to keep 100% of commissions across the entire funnel. This comes with guaranteed approval to promote these products. This is ideal for newbies. Upsell number 4 is Mega Traffic Package. This is at $197 and a $97 down sale. So you're going to get 10 solo ads to his entire network of 25 sites in the Make Money Online niche. Plus, you're going to get to plug in any URL of your choice into the ad rotators at all 25 sites. Okay, so this upsell right here would be a massive traffic source for you guys, okay? And the last upsell here is number 5, where you have the ability to launch a product with Dodd himself. Now, this is limited to 5 people only, guys, and it's at $997 with no down sale. But you're going to get the exclusive opportunity to launch a product with Dodd himself, okay? And you either choose your own product idea or you can create one with him together. So all of his recent launches have achieved over 300 sales, and some passing 500 sales and winning deal of the day. So you're going to guarantee yourself success and a buyer's list if you pick up this upsell, okay? So this is a really good one that I recommend doing if you're a newbie and you want to get into the launching space with your own products, or you could create one with him as I mentioned in here. So pretty good, guys. These are the upsells. Let's go ahead now and move on to my bonuses. Okay, so we're on my bonus page here. Make sure you click any one of these links. That'll take you to the sales page, and then you can go ahead and check out to lock in my bonuses. Make sure there's still time left on these timers, guys, because the price might go up after that. So take advantage of that while you can very quickly. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom here. Bonus number 1 is email marketing for beginners. So since this product is about email marketing, pretty much every single bonus that I put in here is about email marketing, okay? So it's going to help you out as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and read all these bullet points since this video really isn't that long. You're going to discover how to understand email copywriting by dissecting the meaning of each line. You're going to learn the secrets of the master copywriters by using the same tricks that I teach in this training video. You're going to discover how you can write like the masters by simply filling in the blanks in this training. And you're going to find out what to say in your emails that invokes the readers to take action and have a purpose. This training is pretty cool, guys. The way that it's going to work is you're going to watch the video. It's going to have some fill in the blanks, and it's going to have one email written, okay? I'm going to read each line of the email and have you guess what you think that means, okay? And then I'm going to fill in the blanks so you can see what they actually do mean. It's going to help you learn how to structure your email copy better, okay? So it's really cool bonus. Okay, so bonus number 2 is autoresponder sequences and automations. So you're going to learn the secrets behind email marketing and how to set up a money funnel on autopilot. So you're going to discover the inside secrets to creating a money funnel email marketing sequence. You're going to learn that one thing you need before asking anyone on your list to buy anything. You're going to discover how to set up your emails on autopilot so it's making you money 24/7 hands-free. And you're going to find out how I use automations to make more money using this simple setup in my autoresponders. So this is a really in-depth training, guys, where I take you inside my autoresponder, show you how I got my campaign set up, and how I use automations on the back end. Okay, so pretty cool. So bonus number 3 is list building profit kit. So this is how to build a profitable and responsive email list. So you're going to find out how to avoid picking markets that are slowly dying and cheaply maximize the value of your traffic system. You're going to learn how to optimize your squeeze page to turbocharge your subscription rates while building a responsive list. You're going to discover how to use a tried and proven formula for finding markets you'll never get tired of monetizing. And you're going to learn how to create a marketing system for your sales funnel using free traffic sources. So another cool bonus right here. Bonus number 4 is email monetizer. So you're going to learn how to turn your email list into a passive money maker by following this special report. You're going to learn how to monetize your list by using these little known strategies that will generate you a passive monthly income. You're going to discover how you can turn subscribers into customers right away by including this one thing as soon as they are subscribed. You're going to find out how to increase your engagement, build your tribe, and position yourself as a thought leader in your market. And you're going to discover how you can transform your list into powerful cash funnels without having your own product line. So another exclusive cool bonus right there. And bonus number 5 is email list management secrets. Very important, guys. List management is one of the most important subjects in online marketing. You're going to find out how to reveal the first most powerful list type and how to deal with the subscribers to make the most profits. You're going to discover the 4 main methods successful marketers use to maintain their list and the ups and downs of each. You're going to discover the 5 big solutions and which one you should choose that is going to make you the most cash. And you're going to learn how to listen to your list and reap the rewards and the key to developing a successful business. And bonus number 6 is of course the 5 vendor bonuses. Here's a recap of all the bonuses and their values. So combined, that's $312 extra value when you order through my link today. Okay, again, so make sure there's time left on this timer to lock in your bonuses as well as that introductory offer price before the price goes up. Click any one of these links on this page, guys. You're gonna lock in your bonuses that I just showed you, and I'm gonna show you right now how to find your bonuses. So once you click this link, go to the sales page and check out, and you log into your Warrior Plus account, okay? If you don't have a Warrior Plus account, go ahead to warriorplus.com and create one. Once you log in, up on the top right hand corner, you're going to see your name. Click on the little drop down tab. You're going to see purchase history. Choose that. That's going to take you to step 2. On this page, you're going to see the link that you need to click on, which shows all your purchase histories that you had so far. So in this case, you're going to look for monkey mailers. Click on that. It's going to take you to step 3. Now, here's where you can access your purchase of monkey mailers as well as access my affiliate bonuses right here by clicking on this blue button. Okay, so that's how you find my bonuses, guys, once you go through the checkout process. Now, just a reminder, I run some other YouTube channels that you might be interested in. Rokk Films, which is my movie making stuff. I have a UFO channel that is called Alien Investigations. And I have another internet marketing channel called Let's Talk with Ronnierokksmith, where I interview entrepreneurs and upcoming internet marketers that are making 5, 6, 7, and even 8 figures online. So check that out. All the links are in the description for that. And And remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying this content. And leave me some comments below if you have any questions about this product, and I'll be sure to answer in the best of my knowledge to try and answer all of your questions, okay? So that's gonna wrap up this review on monkey mailers. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helped you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. I'm Ronnie Rokksmith with USA Digi, and guys, happy marketing.